In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can make $1,000 per day dropshipping, even if you're a complete beginner using this artificial intelligence no one knows about. Starting dropshipping can be extremely time consuming for new beginners. There's so many moving parts that go into building your Shopify store. You have to create the branding, you have to add products, you have to write copywriting for those products, you have to import reviews, and the list goes on. But trust me, you made the right choice by clicking on this video, because this AI tool I'll be showing you is completely free and it will do all those things for you in under 12 minutes. And make sure you stick around till later in the video, because I'm going to be giving you my full AI dropshipping prompt list so you can scale your store past $1,000 a day. No more wasting time. The 12-minute timer starts now. So once you click the first link in the description of the video, you're going to be taken to this page. First, you have to input your email, and then you can hit access. After, you're just going to put your name in, you're going to put your phone number, and then you're going to create a password. You can hit I have read and agreed to terms of use, and you can hit access. This is the part where you set your store color. For this example, we're going to go with green, and we can hit done. This is the part where we choose the banners for our home page. For this, we're going to go with the free shipping option and the fair prices guarantee, and we can hit done. Now is where we create an account on Shopify. So just scroll all the way down and hit access Shopify. This will only work with the new Shopify store. So if you don't have one, just create a new email and go through the whole process. So put your email in again. You can hit start free trial. Now create a password. Make sure you remember these passwords, guys. Don't be creating passwords you'll forget, please. Let's get started. Where would you like to sell? I usually just say I don't want help setting up. Makes the process quicker. And now once you reach this page, you can go back to the AI store builder and hit done. Now it's time for us to connect our Shopify store. So to scroll all the way down under URL, you're going to go back to Shopify. You're going to copy this URL up here, go back to the AI store builder, paste it in, and you can hit save, and then you can hit done. This is where we configure the app in Shopify. So to scroll all the way down, this is where we configure the app in Shopify. So to scroll all the way down, you're going to hit access Shopify app screens. You're going to hit allow custom app development. Allow custom app development. Then you can hit create an app. For the app name, just go back to the AI store builder. You're going to scroll up under the 5th section where it says Ecom Express. You're just going to copy this here. Go back to Shopify, paste in the app name. You're going to hit create app. Now you're going to hit configure admin API scopes, and every single box you're just going to check. Make sure you check the top one first, because it's going to check the bottom one as well. It's going to save you some time. Let me just do this really quick. Once you're done checking every single box, you can hit save, and then you can hit install app. Just hit install, and now go back to the AI store builder. You're going to scroll all the way down and hit done. This is where you authorize Shopify integration. Scroll down, hit access Shopify app screens. This is where you authorize Shopify integration. So to scroll all the way down under token, just going to go back to that tab you had open for Shopify. Click reveal token once, copy the token, go back to the AI store builder, paste in the token, and you can hit save. This is where you activate the free trial on Shopify. So just scroll all the way down, access Shopify plan screens, and here you're just going to put in your payment method. Let me just do this really quick. So once you're done putting in all your payment method, Shopify isn't going to actually charge you for the first 3 days. You're basically on a free Shopify trial. So all you have to hit is subscribe, and now you just have to add a business address. If you don't have a business address, you can just add your personal home address. Everything will be fine. Just hit save business address, and now once you're done, go back to the AI store builder, hit check Shopify settings. You can hit done. Accelerate your e-com success. This is basically where they try to upsell you guys on a $97 store upgrade. For the sake of this video, we're going to be going with the basic theme. So just scroll all the way down and hit I want the basic theme. This is the part where the AI goes inside your store and customizes it. So just hit customize my store, and now add 20 winning products. We automatically add 20 carefully selected high potential products to your store in popular and trending niches. Simply click the add products to your store button below to get started. So just hit add products to your store, and the products should automatically be imported straight into your store. This is the part where you publish your store. So to scroll all the way down, hit access Shopify to publish your store, and you're just going to uncheck restrict access to visitors with a password. Hit save, and your online store is open to everyone. So let's go to online store. Let's hit customize, and let's see what this AI store builder built us. So at the top here, we have a banner that says up to 50% off for limited time only, with a little timer that's counting down. Very effective to create urgency. We have the free shipping banner. Our 3 collections: best offer, best sellers, and free shipping. Featured collections, we have the best offers and the best sellers products right here. We have the offer of the day, get 10% off where people can subscribe to our email list. We have our fair prices guarantee banner down here as well, and 4 icons. So we got free shipping, guaranteed purchase, secure payment, and fast support that you can obviously change with your store, but it's very clean that you can have this and add extra credibility to your store. And then we just have boring stuff like the policies. And let's check out one of the products. So let's go to best sellers. Let's see this Miami Gold Cuban bracelet. So at the top here, we have it listed for $15.36. Obviously you can change that later. We have 2 colors, gold and silver, 3 different sizes. The buy now and add to cart button right here looking very clean. We have a little section with product details where it comes preloaded with copywriting for your products. We have related products down here as well, recently visited products, and the 4 icons down here. And also, whenever you scroll down, there's an active add to cart button where people can add the product straight into their cart without having to scroll all the way back up. And this loading please wait also is a shipping counter that tells people how long their order is going to take to get to their house. And honestly guys, this is the perfect store if you're a beginner looking to get started into drop shipping, looking to make your first $1,000 per day. It comes with everything you need, the products you need to test, the copywriting, the banners, the colors, everything you need to get started. And the good thing about it is you don't have to spend any money paying website developers to build your website. You can just test it out, see if you like it, see if you get results right away, and if not, you can just shut down the store and not pay a single penny. And like I promised earlier in the video, this is my full dropshipping prompt list where you can just take these prompts and insert it with your product name, your specific audience, and type it into ChatGPT or Cloudy AI, and it'll literally give you all the copywriting for your website. And I spent over 5 hours making this prompt list, making sure every single prompt in here gave a good response that was able to make sales. So all you have to fill out is your basic product info, your product name, cost to fulfill, brand name, paste this inside your AI of choice, and then we have prompts for copywriting. We have prompts for finding the best product pricing, what to price your product. Most people just start drop shipping just like, oh, I see this product, I can get it for 10 bucks. Let me just price it at 50 and see if it sells. No, that's not how you price your products. You have to look at competition. You have to see what the market is doing, what the market is selling it for. And you have to position your product at a price where your brand can succeed. So using these prompts will help AI, which is way smarter than you, justify what price to charge for your product and look for competitors. If you pay for ChatGPT Plus, it will search the web. So whenever you search for analyze the market pricing for product X, provide a pricing strategy based on competitor analysis, it will go through all the competitors that are listed on Google and show you the best competitors, what are they charging, and how much you should charge. So if you're not also paying for something like ChatGPT Plus, where it searches the web, it's an artificial intelligence that searches the web, you're being left behind. You're not smart enough to compete against these people who are using artificial intelligence every single day to optimize their business. Use it for your own business too. I also created prompts on how to identify target audience, how to create offers for your store, how to write FAQs, SEO keywords so you can optimize, so you can rank organic on Google and make sales without running ads. And also for those who are complete beginners, I made prompts on how to create TikTok ads and meta ads. So you don't even have to have experience with nothing. Just use the AI store builder I showed you, go through this prompt list, use ChatGPT or Cloudy, and literally save yourself hours and hours and hours of learning, optimize using artificial intelligence, and start making over $1,000 every single day. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Like always, my name is Leo, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.